Okay, everyone. Fire alarms are only toys to play with when you buy them to use in your house. But not in a public building. The only time that you can play with fire alarms is if you buy fire alarms to use in your house. Like if you are a fire alarm enthusiast. Because you have an interest in fire alarms and want to collect them. Fire alarms should never ever be messed with in a public building. Fire alarms are only toys to play with when you buy them to use in your house, because they are not protecting the public. Your own fire alarms at home. So, fire alarms should never ever be messed with outside of your house. Bye.